This lime cheesecake dip is so delicious, I've got to tell you. And the thing is that a lot of people are missing out on dairy. They think the low FODMAP diet is dairy free. It is not. It is a lower lactose diet. By using lactose-free cream cheese, you're going to be able to indulge. This tastes like a no-bake cheesecake. It has a swirl of lime curd in it. You can serve it with little gluten-free, low FODMAP shortbread cookies if you want, or graham crackers, but I like it with fruit. Strawberries have no detectable FODMAPs, and neither do grapes. Those make great dippers. You could try star fruit. It's rich and delicious and just a little treat for you while you're following the low FODMAP diet.